Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can animate texts in Davinci Resolve 18. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Davinci Resolve 18. So the first thing that you need to do guys in order to animate the text is add a media first of all. So for example, I'm gonna go to File, go to Import and then Media. And now I'm going to import a video, for example, this one. Once you import it, you can drag it to the timeline like this. And as you can see, guys, now the video is added to the timeline. So right now, go to the bottom menu and then search for Fusion tab and then click on it. Once you're here in the Fusion tab, go ahead and click on Effects. And after that, go search for Tools and click on this little arrow right here and then search for titles. If you don't find this right here, you can go to the edit section and then click on effects and down here in the toolbox, search for titles. As you can see guys, we've added right here. So now you can add any title that you want. For example, we're gonna add text. So grab it and drag it to the timeline like this. You can make it bigger like that. So make sure that you select it and then go ahead and click on the inspector. Once you click on the inspector, right here, you can change the text. So for example, I'm gonna type animated text. And then right here, you can choose your font. For example, this one. You can choose the color of the text. Click on OK to confirm it. Change the size, the tracking, the line spacing, change the font style. But as you can see guys right here, there is no animation option. So what you need to do guys in order to animate the text is drag the text plus option and then type the text that you want. And after that, go ahead and scroll down until you find the right tone like this. And as you can see guys, from now, you can change the animation to a right on animation like this. And once you finish, go ahead and click on deliver in order to render your video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.